In this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to curve text here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is write some text that you wish to curve. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go to the text tab here on the left, go to add a heading, and I'm going to simply type in the word curve. But this works for whatever words that you want to type here in Canva. It doesn't really matter. Also, the font and all that stuff doesn't matter as well. But just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to make the font pretty large and also just use Canva Sans default font. Not a big deal there. So once that is done and you have some text that you wish to curve or round here on Canva, next up you have to do is press on the font right here. I want you to go to the effects tab in the top corner. I want you to press on effects. I want you to go down to where it says shape, and I want you to press on this option right here where it says curve. Once that is done, it will curve. Now, if you want to change how much this is actually curved below the shape option here, there is a curve icon. Right now we're at 100, but if you want to drag it all the way to the left, putting it at 0 would make it flat. If you want to make it negative, it'll curve it up, and you can basically just play with it and curve the text however you wish. So hopefully this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.